If you've been trying to open a US Stripe account as a non-resident, you're at the right place. I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process to open a legitimate US Stripe account using an LLC as a foreigner in a completely legal and compliant way accepted by Stripe. Now here's what most people don't realize. The landscape has changed dramatically in 2025. Many foreign-owned LLCs that were using a basic registered agent address got their Stripe account shut down. So the basic North Gold Street and Sheridan in Wyoming used by thousands of other businesses, forget it. And also from non-US persons, Stripe now requires a so-called ITIN number for verification. But here's the thing, there's still a completely legitimate way to do this. So what we're going to do today is set up a proper US LLC, get both an EIN and ITIN, and use an address service that actually works with Stripe's new verification standards, and then activate your Stripe account the right way. So by the end, you have a fully functional US Stripe account that can accept credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and all the other payment methods. Plus, you have lower transaction fees compared to most international payment processors. So let's start by looking at the requirements. As you can see, when I want to verify my business in Stripe, we have three options: an unregistered business, a registered business, and a non-profit organization. And as a non-US resident, setting up an LLC is actually super easy and fully compliant, and it allows you to operate on Stripe. You can see right here when we click this, we have the option single member LLC, which is exactly where we need to start. So here's all the preparation we need to do. First, we need to get a US LLC. This is your business entity. This is the company Stripe connects to and is registered in the US. Second, an EIN number, which is your company's US tax ID. This is issued by the IRS and required for compliance and banking. Then we have the ITIN. This is your personal tax ID as a non-US resident, and this is used to identify you as the owner and also required for compliance and banks. Then we also need a US business address, which has to be accepted by Stripe, as not all virtual addresses work. Finally, we also need a US business bank account, simply to get paid from Stripe, and luckily anyone can open a US bank account with an LLC online. Now I know that this sounds like a lot, but I'm gonna walk you through each step, and honestly it's not as complicated as it seems. This will be a robust method that's compliant and works with Stripe, so even when you scale to bigger figures like $10,000 in sales per day through Stripe, and it still works as intended. So first of all, let's set up our LLC the right way so we can activate Stripe in the first place. And as I said, anyone in the world can legally form an LLC. The first decision you need to make is in which state you want to form the company. And as a foreigner, you can technically choose any state you want, but there's one option best, and that is Wyoming, as we can see right here. Wyoming has the lowest annual fees with just $60 per year. They have very simple compliance, you just file a short annual report online each year. They have excellent privacy, as members and managers are not listed publicly on the public record, and there's 0% state income tax. So overall, low cost, low hassle, very reliable and widely recognized. Also, this is the state that I personally use for all my own LLCs. And to form an LLC in the United States, we need to use a registered agent. And the registered agent is basically your official representative in the state where your company is going to be formed. Now the role of this is simply your official US representative, and they will receive all legal and government mail for your LLC. And this is required because every US LLC has to list the physical address in its state, and as a non-resident, this part is mandatory because you don't have a physical presence or address in the US yourself. And what they do, as I said, they keep your personal info private, they ensure you never miss official mail, provide a business address that works with Stripe, and make your LLC legally compliant. Now, for a registered agent, you can technically use any agent you want. However, I'm going to use Business Anywhere because they can also provide a proper address setup that actually works with Stripe's new verification standards. So for Business Anywhere, you can either go to the link in the description or type in buyhustle.com/businessanywhere. This is then going to bring us to the homepage from where we can click Get Your US Company Online Today. And here you can see Launch Your Business Today, where we can enter in the name for our business. So I'm going to do something like Studio Hassle, and then here select LLC and click Check Availability. So now I can see that the name is available, and then I can create an account right here. Then on the next page, we can choose the entity type and the state. So here obviously leave it on LLC, and here I'm going to type in Wyoming to select it. And as you can see, we see a pricing table as well. So far it's $108. So we click next. Now it's going to ask how many owners the company will have. Now I'm going to be a sole owner, so I will leave this at 1. If you're going to have multiple, you can select that right here. Then we get the registered agent service, which is something we do need, like I explained before. So at the bottom, click add to order for free as it's included for the first year, and then click next. Then the EIN number, which I talked about before as well. This is also something we need. So here we want to click add to order as well. Then we click next. Then an operating agreement. This isn't mandatory. You don't need this. You can also get this later. So I will select I don't need an operating agreement. Click next. Then we have a bookkeeping setup. If you want, you can add this to order for free, but this is not necessary. I'm going to click I don't need a consultation and click next. They also give support on opening bank accounts. However, I'll show you how to open bank accounts as well. So at the bottom, we can simply click I don't need a bank account and click next as well. Okay, now here for the additional documents and filings, there's one more thing we need, and that is the beneficial ownership information report. This is legally required for all new LLCs as of 2024, so make sure to add this as well to avoid penalties. Then we can click next once again. And this is the page for the professional mailing address. And this is super important, as for our Stripe setup we need this. So I'm gonna click I need a virtual mailbox. And here we can select the state, which I'm going to select as Wyoming. And here we can see two addresses available, one in Cheyenne and one in Laramie. An important thing is that they are accepted by Stripe. So I selected the one in Cheyenne, and then we can scroll down. We can just keep it on the basic package and click select and click next once more. Now we can choose the filing service. I would recommend simply using the standard filing unless you're in a hurry, but most likely you're not. So we simply click add to order right here, and then on the next page you can complete the payment. So here on this page you can review the order one more time to make sure everything looks correct, and then after the purchase they will start working on forming your LLC. Now let's talk about what's gonna happen next. Your LLC approval time takes usually 1 to 2 business days in the state of Wyoming, and the EIN number processing takes about 1 to 2 weeks for foreigners because they have to submit the application to the IRS on your behalf. And after the company registration, this is also what you will receive. First of all, the articles of organization. This is the official proof your LLC is legally formed in the state of Wyoming, your registered agent address, your official business address in Wyoming from Business Anywhere, a full access to your company dashboard where you can manage your company info, the filings and documents inside Business Anywhere, your EIN number, so your business tax ID used for your LLC operations, and also of course LLC branding, the name under which you will operate, so your official business identity. Make sure to save all of these documents because you'll need them for the next steps. The most important ones for Stripe are your EIN confirmation letter and the LLC address information. There's one more thing we need to create our Stripe account, and that is our ITIN number. An ITIN is an individual taxpayer identification number, and as a non-US resident of a US LLC, you need this for Stripe verification. And you can basically see this as an SSN for non-US residents. And here in the specific section within Stripe, you can see it gives the option for an SSN number, which is not possible, but also right here, as you can see, an ITIN number. Now you see, back in the day, an ITIN was not required by Stripe, and just using an EIN number was sufficient. But nowadays, for foreigners, Stripe requires it for identification, especially when generating more sales. So basically, an ITIN is required. The easiest way to get your ITIN is through a service like the ITIN. They handle all the IRS paperwork for you, so you don't need to visit the US or deal with the IRS directly. To go to their site, you can again go to the link in the description or type in buyhustle.com/the-ITIN. Once there, you'll see the ITIN application service right here. They'll take you through the entire process and submit everything to the IRS on your behalf. So here we can start by filling in our name. Then you can click on order now. Once here, you can fill in your personal details and then pay with card. For the additional services, if you're really in a hurry, you can select this option, expedite my ITIN. However, this is not guaranteed. I've never used this option, so I don't necessarily recommend it. As well as the US VPS, you also don't need this. There are other solutions for this as well. Now for the promo code, you want to click on this, you simply want to add hassle50 and click apply, and as you can see, it gives a $50 discount. Now one thing to note, ITIN applications currently take about 3 to 4 months to process. That is just how long the IRS takes, and there is no way to speed it up. The last thing we need from this list is a US bank account. And this is required because when Stripe pays out your earnings, they need to send the money to a US bank account that matches your business information. Now the good news is that you don't need to live in the US to open one. And anyone can open a US business bank account with an LLC, and there are a few bank accounts that allow non-residents to open this remotely. The banks I recommend are Mercury, Relay and Airwallex. They work with LLCs, they're completely free to open, provide real US bank details, they work perfectly with tools like Stripe, and they can send money internationally. Now personally, I have all three of these banks and all of them do the job and work perfectly. And when you're just beginning, if I had to pick one, I would go with Mercury, but for all the banks, I'll leave the links down in the description. Alright, now for the main event, creating your Stripe account. So go to stripe.com and then click on Start Now. But before we start, I highly recommend using a good VPN to connect to the United States. This will make the application appear more consistent, and personally I use NordVPN, so I select to the United States right here. So now I am accessing the page using a US IP address and I can simply refresh and there we go. For NordVPN I will also leave a link down below. Now from here you want to select the right options. For the country, make sure it's set to the United States, not your home country, because we're signing up for Stripe using our US LLC. Then you can simply fill in your details to create the account, then we can click create account. Then right here we can simply skip these questions for now as they are not important, and we want to click on go to my live account. Then you want to verify your email address, and then now we can start activating our account. Now first of all, for the business location, obviously select United States. For the business type, select registered business. And then for most of us, we own a single member LLC. If you have multiple people connected to your LLC, it is multi-member. I'll click single member right here, click continue. Okay, then we need to fill in the EIN number, which we also got from Northwest, so simply fill it in right here. And then also fill in the complete name of your business, so your business name with LLC at the end. Then click continue. Then for the first question, doing business as, doesn't apply to me, probably not to you either. And for the business address, we want to fill in the official business address we got from Business Anywhere. For me, it's the address in Cheyenne. Once that's done, we click continue. Then we need to fill in some information about ourselves, so our first and last name, the email address, date of birth, our actual home address in our home country. So for me, this is my address in the Netherlands, a phone number, and then here, the ITIN number. Okay, I've filled in all the details. Then lastly, you want to click on provide a government issued ID number instead. And then right here, you want to fill in your ITIN number. There we go. So once we've done that, they now ask what products or services will you offer through Stripe. Simply fill that in right here. If you're doing dropshipping or selling, coaching, simply fill it in. Then we can choose the statements on invoices, how this would look like, what the support number is and the support address. Then we get prompted to add our bank account, and this is why I recommended Mercury, because Mercury is very easily integratable with tools like Stripe. Also Relay, Airwallex work as well manually, but simply here, if you have Mercury, click Mercury right here and follow the prompts. After you've filled in all your details, you can click review and submit. Now your Stripe application is in review, which usually takes about 1 to 3 business days. So next, let's talk about the legal and tax side of things. So how US LLC taxation works for foreign owners. And if you're a non-US resident with a single member LLC formed in Wyoming, your LLC is treated as disregarded pass-through entity by default. Simply put, that means no federal income taxes in the US, since income passes through the company onto the personal level, and there's no state income tax if formed in Wyoming. You only pay tax in your country of residence based on your local tax rules and double tax treaties. For example, here, if I make $10,000 in profit through Stripe, through my US LLC, that means there's no federal income tax, no state income tax. This is going to be considered personal income in a country of residence. For me, that's the Netherlands, so I pay personal income tax over this $10,000 in the Netherlands. Then the required annual filing says even though you don't owe any tax in the US, you still have to file compliance forms every year to stay legally active. Those forms are Form 5472 and Pro Forma 1120. They're required every year by the IRS for foreign-owned single-member LLCs, even if you made $0 in profit. It basically reports the LLC ownership and any transactions, and the penalty for missing or a late filing is 25,000 USD or more. Now this sounds scary, but I'll show you how to prevent this so this never happens. Also, there is an annual report and the state renewal, so this keeps your LLC legally active within your formation state, and in Wyoming this is just $60 per year, and this confirms your registered agent and company address is still valid. We also have something new since 2024, that is the BOI report, and This tells the US government who actually owns and controls the company, and for foreign-owned LLCs this report is mandatory. Now you have to file the BOI report within 30 days of your company being registered in the US. You only need to file this once. You can do this directly to FinCEN, but if you don't want to deal with government forms, Business Anywhere also handles it for you, like I showed earlier in the video. And this is also why I recommend using a good registered agent. They provide an annual report and renewal service where they will prepare and submit your state's annual report on your behalf. They also include state compliance filings as part of their service, and this is also what I was referring to about the penalty, as when you're working with a registered agent who does this automatically, this basically never happens. Also for the BOI filing, they do that for you as well. They prepare and submit the report for you, file the information with FinCEN, which is the organization that handles this, and basically helps you stay compliant with all the requirements if anything changes later. Alright, so that's pretty much the entire process to create a US Stripe account in 2026. I've got all the links you need in the description below, the link to Business Anywhere for your LLC, links to Mercury, Relay and Air Wallets for your banking, and the ITIN.com for your ITIN application. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them down below. With that being said, have a good rest of your day.